Three things about the law of attraction you didn't know. The secret, law of attraction, vibration, visualizations, manifestations, affirmations, universe. I am sure you know about all these things already. And I am also sure that you are applying the law of attraction in your life. That's why you are watching this video. Right? But there are still some things you are not aware of. Probably nobody told you. So in this video, I am gonna give you three things about the law of attraction you didn't know. So watch this video till the end, as by the end of this video you will discover how this law of attraction works. You will have much more clarity how to make sure that you manifest whatever you desire. So stay tuned. Hello, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. So let's get started. Point number 1. It's always working no matter what. Yes, it is true. When some people think that the law of attraction doesn't work, then I must tell you that it's always working. It's just that it's not working for you right now. The universe is always giving back the vibration and the energy, whatever you are releasing. If you think that you will be happy when you will get this, or you will be happy when you will become this, or you will be happy when you will accomplish this, then let me tell you that it doesn't work like that. You have to feel happy before you get. You have to feel happy before you become. Or you have to feel happy before you accomplish whatever you want to. The law also controls how all of your results are created. So not just you are focusing on right now. Your overall vibration in life will result in what you will attract in your life. This is why we need to be very, very careful how we are feeling. Sometimes bad things happen, and that's normal. Bad situations occur, and our emotions change with that. The law of attraction doesn't care whether you are feeling good or bad, you are feeling negative or positive. It just responds to what you are feeling. When the time is not good, situations are negative, it's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel depressed, frustrated, angry. However, you must be aware of your feelings or state most of the day, and then you must learn how to change your feelings, how to change your state, and then you have the control over your emotions, which will result in taking you closer to your manifestations. Point number 2, you won't catch it right away. Manifestation, like yoga, meditation, or gratitude, is a practice. It's not something you do today and expect the miracles happen immediately. It's a practice of ease, practice of flow, and unity with the energy of the universe. And this takes time. It doesn't happen immediately. It takes time to learn to create a vibration and maintain it for a longer time. So you must surrender yourself to the universe and trust that whatever you desire will be given to you. So first of all, you need to reassure yourself that the law of attraction actually works. And every time, for everyone, there is a little voice of yourself, sometimes doubting and saying that it's not working, it's hard, it's not possible. And this little voice doesn't go away overnight, and it takes time to calm. So you have to gain evidence that it works. You have to gain confidence that your manifestation is possible and you are on the way. And then gradually this little voice will be silent. In order to gain the evidence and the proof, you should start with small things. Start with manifesting small things like cups of coffee, parking spaces, etc. Or read law of attraction stories on Google. Before I move to point number 3, let me just request you that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all my future videos. So point number 3 is, sometimes bad things happens and it's not your fault. Sometimes with everybody, bad things happen in life. Sometimes things happen that are not in your control. And there are some things in life that happen that are outside your control. That's not your fault also. But things happen for many different reasons, some of which have nothing to do with you at all, and many of which do. However, you are 100% responsible for how you respond to those situations, how you respond to those circumstances. The choice is yours. Either feel bad about it, worry about it, feel frustrated about it, blame or complain about it, or be in control, be motivated, be positive, and have faith. Unpleasant things happen in life. That's part of life. It's like 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. But we are 100% responsible for how we react, how we respond, what happens to us. So don't let outside circumstances control your thinking. Don't let outside situations control your feelings. And once you learn how to control your thinking, you learn how to control your state, how to control your emotions, your beliefs, then you are powerful. Then you become unstoppable. And then you create your life. And then you create your destiny. Then nothing is impossible to create. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video.